Are you tired of saying same repeated words and lines and want to change them? Do you know there are different ways in English of saying one thing? Do you want to know them? Hello, my all students. I hope you all are fine and ready to learn with me. Are you ready? So let's start our today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn something about it's boring. Are you really tired of saying it's boring repeatedly? So let's learn that how to say differently. It's boring. Ready? Let's start it. So the first one is I dislike it. Okay, when you are feeling something is boring for you, so you can say that I dislike it. Let's go towards second. The second is that's not for me. That's not for me. That's not for me we use when something is boring for you. Let's go towards third one. It's dull. It's dull means that something is boring for you. You're not liking it. The next is it's not my cup of tea. That is something really very new. We can use it instead of it's boring, it's not my cup of tea. Oh, the next is I was dying out of boredom. The movie was awful. It means that you were feeling something is boring for you. So you were just dying out of boredom. The next is it's like watching grass grow. It means that you're not liking it. It's damn boring for you. So it's like that you're watching grass grow. Okay? The next is it bores me to tears. It bores me to tears means something is boring for you. You're not liking it. You don't want to stay here. The concert bores you to tears because you don't like that singer. The next is really very amazing. It's like watching paint dry. It's like watching paint dry means something is boring for you. You're not liking it. You're not liking that dance which is going on because it's watching like paint dry. You don't want to enjoy it. The next is I'm not keen on it. I'm not keen on it means that it's something boring for you. You're not liking that. It's not your cup of tea. Let's go towards the next one, that is, oh, I'm not crazy about it. It means that something is not your cup of tea. You don't like that. It's something boring for you. So you're saying that I'm not crazy about it. Let's go towards the last one, that is, it's dull as dishwater. It's something boring for you. That is why you're saying that it's dull as dishwater. You don't like that. You're feeling bored about something. So you're saying that it's dull as dishwater. Now it's time to practice. To practice it, write a sentence and comment by using these new different ways. I just want a sentence from you. You can choose any one way of saying it's boring differently and write in comment. At the end, I just want to say that if you really like my efforts, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel and share it as well, because knowledge increases by sharing but not by saving.